And there it is, guys. So I went ahead and reinforced this area of the gate. As you guys can see, that's the whole gate right there. It's 16 feet long, 5 feet tall, and I'm installing the wheels right now. That V-Groove wheel, which is gonna slide on for the track, and it's gonna go right here. So remember what I said, we have to reinforce this whole area right here, because once I cut this where I laid out for the wheel right here, this is gonna get cut, this area here, and this guy is gonna go right up in there. So once I cut this, the only thing holding this area here together is gonna be that right there. So there's nothing supporting the fence here, and even if there was a support down here on this area, I'd still have to reinforce all of these, because we don't want to put any stress on that member right there, on that guy right there. So it could twist down, it could slide open, we can lose squareness on it. So this is what I did, and this is what I recommend you guys do whenever you guys are doing anything like this. So you don't have to tack every one of them, but you do have to tack several of them. And also on top of that, I went ahead and tacked on another support, a vertical support, to keep the up and down. I don't want this to come down on me, because there's no support over there except for that one. That's the only support here. So this area here could come down. So I went ahead and tacked on a little vertical stick right there to hold the weight. And another thing I want to talk about, guys, when you guys do some temporary tacks on stuff like this stuff is only temporary. These guys, they're gonna come off. There's no need to do a full weld on your temporary supports. It's only a small tack that you want on it, because you want to remove this, and it's recommended that you do it only on the same side. Okay, you don't tack on this side here. Okay, on this side of the piece, you don't want to tack on there. You just want to tack here. The reason for that is, all I got to do right now is just grind this tack here, grab me a pair of channel locks here, bring it forward, and all these tacks here will break. Same thing on my vertical support here. This is only temporary. You want to tack only 2 small tacks, one here and one here. Nothing on this side. Here, that's free and clear of everything. Okay, you don't want any weld here. Whenever you get ready to remove this, channel locks here, pair of pliers here, turn it this way and it pops off, and all you got to do is just clean a little bit of weld right there. Don't go weldo on all this thing right here. There's no need. It's just a temporary support. It's gonna come off, buff them out. This is all finished material here, so you want to do as less welding on this as possible. And whenever you do grind, you have to know how to grind. You see these 45 joints here? I didn't do a video of that, but this was the joint right here, a 45-degree joint. You have to know how to grind. You don't want to put any grooves on your metal. You see how I did that? Well, I'll do a video later on even this edge right here also. You have to grind those clean. You can't bear down on the grinder. You have to use a flap wheel. That's a different video. But anyways, that's how this section of the gate is going to be supported, needs to be supported. So now I can go ahead and cut here and cut here, and this should stay where it's at. It shouldn't move. No stress on that member over there, and not coming down because of that guy. And these guys here are not going to be doing all this flip-floppy things. Should be stay stable where it's at. I'm going to go ahead and cut that out right now, bring you guys back.